In the sky above mountains, cliffs, and open lands, there flies a shadow feared by many and respected by all. With wings wide enough to block the sun and eyes sharper than a sniper's scope, this is no ordinary bird. This is the golden eagle. In this video, we'll uncover what makes the golden eagle a true aerial powerhouse. From its unmatched hunting skills to survival secrets you've never heard. Stay with us till the end for fascinating facts that even wildlife experts admire. The golden eagle is one of the largest and most powerful birds of prey in the northern hemisphere. It can reach a wingspan of up to 7.5 feet, longer than most adult humans are tall. This wingspan, combined with strong, broad wings, allows it to soar for hours with minimal effort. Its talons are built like natural weapons, sharp, curved, and capable of exerting enough pressure to crush the bones of its prey. The golden eagle doesn't just fly, it dominates the sky. Found across North America, Europe, and Asia, golden eagles prefer remote habitats like mountains, plateaus, deserts, and cliffs, where they have a clear view of the land below. What makes them even more dangerous is their silence. They don't flap loudly, they glide, watching, waiting, then striking with speed and precision that rivals fighter jets. Their vision is nearly 8 times better than ours. They can spot a rabbit from over a mile away while staying invisible themselves. Is just the beginning. In the next segments, we'll reveal their hunting techniques, family life, survival tactics, and the legacy they've built across centuries. Stay with us and discover the inner world of the golden eagle. The golden eagle is a bird built for purpose, every part of its body engineered for survival and precision. It begins with the eyes. A golden eagle's vision is nearly 8 times sharper than that of a human. This allows it to detect movement from extreme distances. Scientists have confirmed that it can spot a rabbit from over 1 mile away, even when soaring hundreds of feet above the ground. This exceptional eyesight gives it a massive advantage. It can lock onto a target long before the prey senses danger. Its head is compact and streamlined, reducing air resistance during dives. The beak is sharp and curved, designed for tearing flesh. But it's the legs and talons that make the golden eagle a true apex predator. The talons are like built-in weapons. Long, curved claws powered by strong leg muscles that can exert an estimated 400 to 750 pounds of pressure per square inch. That's strong enough to crush bone. When a golden eagle grips its prey, escape is almost impossible. Speed is another critical advantage. During a hunt, the eagle folds its wings and enters a dive, reaching speeds of over 150 miles per hour. At that velocity, it becomes a living missile capable of delivering a powerful targeted strike. Its usual prey includes rabbits, hares, marmots, ground squirrels, and birds. However, golden eagles are also known for taking on larger and more difficult animals. In some regions, they have been recorded attacking young deer, small mountain goats, and even wild sheep, using their speed and gravity to launch a devastating impact from above. They often rely on the terrain, launching attacks from cliffs or ridges to surprise prey from higher ground. In rocky or mountainous regions, they use the element of vertical advantage better than almost any other bird. Golden eagles also display remarkable patience. They can spend hours soaring silently, scanning the land for the perfect moment. Once prey is found, the attack is swift, brutal, and efficient. And yet, not every meal comes from a successful hunt. Golden eagles are opportunistic. When fresh prey isn't available, they don't hesitate to scavenge. A moment that perfectly illustrates nature's logic. In the wild, energy must be preserved. If a fox lies dead, the golden eagle will use it as a food source. This behavior isn't weakness. It's intelligence. It ensures survival during harsh conditions when hunting opportunities are rare. You may see the eagle tearing into the carcass with its beak, gripping the body with its talons, feathers ruffling in the wind. It's a raw but necessary part of the ecosystem. Scavenging helps maintain balance in nature. It clears away dead animals and ensures that nothing goes to waste. So whether it's diving at high speed to crush a live hare or feeding on the remains of a fox in the snow, the golden eagle adapts to every opportunity. It doesn't just hunt, it survives. Through power, patience, and precision. Golden eagles are often viewed as fierce hunters. And that's true. But what many people don't realize is that these birds are also skilled survivors. Their survival doesn't depend only on fresh kills. They're opportunistic feeders, which means they will take advantage of whatever food source becomes available. In the wild, food can be unpredictable. Weather, competition, and even injury can reduce hunting success. That's when scavenging becomes essential. Golden eagles are known to feed on animal carcasses, deer, foxes, sheep, or smaller mammals. They don't need to kill every meal. When they find a dead animal, they see it not as a leftover, but as a resource. This behavior conserves energy and increases their chances of survival, especially in winter or during migration when hunting is more difficult. Their beak is perfectly designed for this role. Sharp and hooked, it allows them to tear through thick fur, skin, and muscle with efficiency. Their talons grip the carcass firmly while the beak works in coordinated motion to strip away the flesh. Scavenging also plays an important role in the ecosystem. It helps clean up decaying animals that could otherwise spread disease. What one predator leaves behind, another completes, maintaining a natural cycle that benefits the environment. Golden eagles may even return to the same carcass for multiple days if it remains safe from competition. They eat carefully and watchfully, always alert to nearby threats or scavengers like foxes, ravens, or vultures. This feeding behavior doesn't make the golden eagle any less powerful. On the contrary, it shows their ability to adapt, to make the best out of every situation, and to survive in harsh, ever-changing landscapes. Scavenging is not failure, it's strategy. And for a bird that dominates the sky, survival always comes first. The golden eagle has played a powerful role not just in nature, but in human history. Across centuries and civilizations, it has been adopted as a symbol of strength, leadership, and pride. In ancient Rome, the eagle, known as the aquila, was carried at the front of every legion. It represented the power of the empire. Losing the eagle in battle was considered one of the greatest disgraces a Roman army could face. Centuries later, the eagle continued to appear in the emblems and flags of powerful nations. From the double-headed eagle of the Byzantine Empire and the Holy Roman Empire to its place on the flags of Germany, Russia, and the United States, the golden eagle became more than a bird. It became a global icon of authority and freedom. In Central Asia, Mongol warriors used the golden eagle not just as a symbol, but as a hunting companion. Eagle hunting, a tradition still practiced today in parts of Mongolia and Kazakhstan, demonstrates the deep respect these cultures have for the bird's intelligence, power, and loyalty. In many indigenous American cultures, eagle feathers are sacred. They are used in rituals given as symbols of honor and worn by respected tribal leaders. The eagle, especially the golden eagle, is seen as a messenger between the earth and the sky. Even in modern times, the golden eagle appears on national seals, military badges, and sports team logos. It represents vision, the ability to see far and act fast. It stands for dominance, freedom, and the courage to lead. No matter the culture or era, the golden eagle has remained a universal image of power, both in flight and in symbol. It connects the natural world with human belief systems, serving as a reminder that strength, leadership, and survival often begin with perspective. Despite its strength, the golden eagle faces threats, including habitat destruction, illegal hunting, and collisions with human structures like wind turbines. Conservation programs have helped protect these birds in many regions, but their survival depends on continued respect and protection of their natural habitats. The golden eagle is not just a predator. It's an essential part of the ecosystem, a guardian of the skies, and a creature of remarkable intelligence and grace. This is not just another bird. This is the golden eagle, a legend in flight. From its unmatched hunting skills to its legendary status in human history, the golden eagle is more than a bird. It's a symbol of survival, power, and vision. We've just scratched the surface of nature's greatest stories. And there's a whole world still waiting to be discovered. What's one animal you want to learn about next? Tell us in the comments. We might feature your idea in an upcoming video. Like, share, and subscribe to The Inner World, where nature speaks and you listen.